Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the right spending combination for economic growth is fast. We will calculate the multiplier and check options to find the perfect match. First, we need the spending multiplier. Since the marginal propensity to consume is 0.75, we calculate 1 divided by 1 minus 0.75, which equals 4. Next, determine the required initial spending change. Divide the total output increase of 2,400 million by our multiplier of 4. This means we need a total initial boost of 600. Option D provides 400 in consumption and 200 in investment, summing to 600. This makes D our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.